You're gonna break my robot. Come on.
Right over here.
Okay. You know this is rated PG. This is rated PG. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We won't tell anybody you were dancing with a robot.